Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Okay, got the water hooked up. I'll put some gas in it. It does have oil. So we're going to see if the American-made Briggs & Stratton engine, a 7 3/4 horsepower, can run this Chinese 3,000 psi pump. So I'm going to go turn the water on, pull the rope. Water is on. The engine may smoke a while because it's had a lot of oil getting up the cylinder. Going to relieve the pressure. Always make sure you relieve the pressure or you could break the rope. And I don't want to change the rope on this. So we got a good flow of water, you can see. Okay, make sure our switch is on. Let's see how well it's cleaned. Doing pretty good. Alright, thing runs pretty good. It's going to take a while for it to run oil and everything out of the engine because, mind you, it has not run in a very, very long time. So we're going to shut the water off. And we are going to relieve all the pressure out of the thing. It makes it easier to get the hose off the machine. Now mind you, this engine has not run in at least 5 years. And when it was running, it wasn't running very good. Carburetor had issues because one winter, I did not run all the gas out. And I forgot to get all the water out, which is normally what I did. So when I worked on that Simpson pressure washer, and I put that new pump, which I finally paid that pump off. So now I don't have any issues with that. Now that this thing works, I'm going to do some horse trading on that. There's something I would like to trade it for, if possible. But we'll just have to wait and see when that time comes. All right, now we got the pressure off. We can take the garden hose off. If you don't, you're never going to get the hose off. Now we're going to disconnect the hose from the wand from the pump. So this way, with the switch off, I want to get some of the water out of the pump, just like that. And we're going to disconnect it from here. It just makes it easy for storage. Put things back. I don't know why that's so hard to fit in there. There we go. And that's it, guys. We have successfully revamped Chinese with an American engine to be used on American soil. So I hope you learned something in these videos that I've made. Don't be afraid to take a chance on something, because you too can have one thing that works perfectly fine at a very budget cost. So, you tell me what you think in the comments on this. I mean, I took a 190cc Chinese engine off, and funny as it may seem, it only put out 6.5 horsepower. That's right. If you look at these mini bikes, you get the 196cc engine on it. That's 6.5 horsepower. That's all it puts out. This puts out 7 3/4 horsepower. So I knew, in a sense, it can handle the 3,000 psi pump. So we're done with this build. So we'll move on to something else in the future. I'll see you next time here on Lynn's Homestead. You have an awesome day.